I'm Sarah Rhodes.
And I'm Gigi Tea.
Welcome to the Orchid.
These are 6 newly renovated oceanfront units in Playa Chiquita. We're going to show you around. So these are 6 brand new listings. We have 2 on the ground floor, 2 on the second floor, and 2 penthouse units. These units are massive. 168 square meters is the way that people used to build in the Dominican Republic, so you normally don't find this much space.
It's a completely open floor plan as far as the living, dining, and kitchen area are concerned. Lots of space, completely modern. Everything is brand new. In the kitchen, you have the waterfall, island, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. The appliances are also high-end. And look at the attention to detail here in the ceiling with these lights.
I really like that there's space here for a bar stool, and it doesn't really change what people can do when they walk by this way, because over here we have a huge laundry room. This is a really good area. I would probably put a door here and use this as owner's storage. That way you can keep this protected whenever there's rentals.
And for people like me, who the laundry starts piling up, you have a folding space here.
Linen closet here with on-demand water heater. And again, the bathrooms are massive. Another linen closet, and then here's the second bedroom.
Yeah, you have lots of storage in here. You actually have a balcony here, a garden view balcony off of the guest bedroom or secondary bedroom. Storage space is amazing. There are built-ins in the closet, so you have built-in shelving in the closet, you have hanging space, and then you also have the storage space above. And it's very, very calm and peaceful in this area of Playa Chiquita.
There's more than enough space here for a king-size bed. What we see here is a queen, but you can see at least a meter on either side of the bed, and then an in-suite master bath.
You also have a nice big shower, everything modern, brand new, like we said. And then look at the amount of balcony space, outdoor living space that you have in this unit. The size, simply just the size, is a huge selling point for me, because it is very difficult here to find units that have that private outdoor living space, especially that are this large.
One of the best things about our units in the Orchid is the HOA is less than $200 a month. So for an oceanfront unit, that's almost unheard of.
And look at all the great green space you have. Picnicking out here, playing with the kids, like you have plenty of nice green space for that, and you also have a really large pool right there on the ocean. So the unit that we just saw is being sold completely furnished. However, the other 5 units we have for sale are being sold unfurnished.
You can get a furniture package if you do want a turnkey unit. So for just $20,000 additional, you'll get all your appliances and furniture for both bedrooms, the living room, and the dining room.
Thanks for tuning in to episode 2 of Selling Sunsets DR. Be sure to tune in for episode 3.
For more information, go to www.realtordr.com.